How to use game mode in iPhone with iOS 18. With iOS 18, iPhone finally got a dedicated game mode that can significantly improve frame rates, Bluetooth controller responsiveness, as well as enhance audio quality during gameplay. Game mode on iPhone typically minimizes background activity on your device so you can play the game seamlessly. It also delivers consistent frame rates for the best possible gaming experience, and your iPhone hardware will automatically prioritize the game you are playing once the game mode is activated. How to switch on game mode on iPhone? Game mode on your iPhone will automatically trigger once you launch a game on your device. Now let's open a game. As you can see the game mode on message at the top of the screen. To switch it off, simply access Control Center by swiping from right corner. At the top, you will find game name and game mode with an arrow. Just tap game mode and then tap game mode again. And this will turn off game mode on your iPhone. So that is how you can use game mode in iPhone with iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.